everyone. I just wanted to record this quick-ish welcome back video for our week next week, as we will have some of you in person and some of you not in person. So just to kind of go over just a few things. The first thing is, like we said, our schedule is changing next week. It does not matter if you are a virtual student or an in-person student. Everyone has a new schedule next week, and this is listed on my Canvas page. I will also be sending this to both parents and students. But as you can see now, office hours are from 8:30 to 9:25. That's for teachers. And then student staggered arrival will be from 9:25 to 10. We officially start school at 10. So if you're in a remote student, you need to be logged into your Core 1 class at 10. Next week, we will not have enrichment classes. It is going to be that 11 to 11:30 time. Everyone will stay with their Core 1 teacher, and we're just going to go over kind of how things are going to run with virtual and remote, and just kind of take that 30 minutes to kind of answer questions, go over how things are going to be at school and in different classrooms and those kind of things. Core 2, 11:35 to 12:30. The whole 7th grade is going to eat 12:30 to 1. So if you're at school, you'll eat in the classroom with your Core 2 teacher. If you get lunch, it is provided for you at school. They will bring it around to the classrooms. We will be washing hands before and after we eat lunch, and everyone will be sitting at their desks. At 1 o'clock, students will go to their elective 1 and then 150 elective 2. The elective times now have been extended since we are in person and virtual. So you will have a longer 40-minute time instead of 20 minutes in your elective. Core 3 is from 2:35 until 3:25, and Core 4 is 2:30 to 4:15. Students, you will stay in your Core 4 class, and everyone will listen for the announcements, and they will call buses and they will call car riders at that time. So that's kind of how our schedule is going to look. Every teacher kind of has a supply list, but for me, it's pretty easy. You need to bring your face mask with you to school. You have to wear it all day, every day. Your school computer and charger. If you don't have your school computer charger, we have it for you at school, and you will be using it at school when you go to class, because we still are going to be doing things within Canvas. You won't be on Zoom necessarily, but you will be doing your work via the Canvas platform. For my class, pen or pencil, something to write with, some notebook paper inside a folder. Pretty easy for my class. We have a virtual bathroom pass, which we'll go over with the kids. So how they will be able to go to the bathroom so that we can monitor how many kids are in the bathroom at one time and make sure that there's not too many. And then we will discuss this with them on next week. Where do they go for enrichment? Do they have an enrichment? What's going on with that? So do not worry about that. We will talk with them about that next week. As for class, for language arts, next week's pretty easy. It's going to look exactly how it's always looked. I'm not changing how I'm teaching. Everything will still be through Canvas. We will still be doing things. The only thing that will change is some kids will be in the classroom and able to raise their hand and ask for help and answer questions verbally instead of having to type in a chat box. But those at home will still be able to participate through the chat box. And so, but Monday we're going to go over our quiz. I told all the students they had to take it by this weekend. It cuts them off from taking it if they haven't already taken it. When we're going to do the smallest Dragon Boy vocab. Tuesday, we're going to do some text evidence and point of view. Wednesday, so Monday and Tuesday's cohort A. So all the kids in cohort A will come that are wanting to come in person will come on that Monday. And they'll go from class to class. Wednesday is a remote for everybody, and the time is still the same, 10 o'clock to 4:15. And that day is just going to be an Achieve 3000 for us day in case we need to just kind of, I know things are changing for everyone, so I just kind of want to give us a breather day. And then Thursday, we're going to do a theme activity with the smallest Dragon Boy. And then Friday, we're going to do a second theme activity with the smallest Dragon Boy. So hopefully next week will not be stressful. The most important thing that everyone needs to know is that when you guys if you choose to come in person, there will be a lot of adults. They will be there to help screen you, make sure that, you have filled out your paperwork, that you get screened before you come in. They'll show you where to go, how to get to your homeroom Core 1 class. Then the teachers the rest of the day will take care of making sure you make it where you need to make it. But you just need to make sure that you come, one, prepared with a face mask. Two, make sure if you have a school computer, you bring that with your charger so that we can charge it during the day if we need to. And then three, just be ready to be flexible. And if you need something, ask me or any other teacher and we will get the answer for you. And then three, know how you're getting home. So know what bus you're riding. If you don't know what bus you're riding, you need to ask your teacher, not by the end of the day. And then make sure that you are listening in the afternoon and we can get you safely home. Other than that, I hope this kind of answered all of everyone's questions. We are so excited for everyone that is coming back. I'm excited to kind of see what class will be with some of you in the room and some of you still at home. So that'll be fun and you'll get to wave to each other and kind of see each other, and we'll just keep on keeping on and learning the best that we can. Of course, if you have any questions before Monday, go ahead and email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, I look forward to next week.